Nice itch in your nose, by the way.
Well, it was itchy. What did you expect me to do?
My buddy Taylor. Thank you.
I have to burp.
That's great.
Like, stop right there.
Pepsi. Pepsi. Maybe Pepsi will help. Pepsi. Pepsi. Ready? We'll drink it at the same time.
Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't make it come out my nose now.
Oh my god, that was so trapped.
That was a fail. You know what? I'm not even gonna comment.
The tigers have awoken. Actually, that wouldn't be a tiger, that'd be a frog.
That'd be a leprechaun.
Yes, the inner leprechaun. Hey!
Yeah,
they're after me, Lucky Charms! They're after me, Lucky Charms!
I'm just gonna drink my pop and try not to choke. Alright, come on, not. I can't even do that with you looking at me.
Okay. Lucky Charms! After me, Lucky Charms! Oh, I just realized what that. Oh, yeah. You dirty motherfucker. Oh. There we go.
You need a toilet for that one?
Oh yeah, that's unlocked. Leprechaun! After me, Lucky Charms!
Remember what that means, Jen?
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Short-term memory loss.
Shut up.
Oh, smell good stuff.
What? My smell good stuff. Ah!
My smell good stuff. That is
Playboy!
mine.
No.
Cold on the dude.
Playboy, New York. Oh yes.
New woke.
You could see the reflection of the TV in it.
Hey, here's another one.
What?
Just wait for it. Wait for it. Just hold on and you will see it.
It's your mom.
Yeah, my mom can't dance.
I think that's insulting to that lady.
This is insulting to anybody. Dude, she can do it better than I can, so you know what? I don't understand why we're laughing. I have to burp again.
Drink some more pop! Ew.
Excuse me. I feel
Oh, I can smell that! Ew!
I feel much better now.
Fireball!
Fireball!
Oh yes! Yay!
Control yourself!
Whoa, big boom.
That's the same thing!
Fireball.
That's convenient.
Look at her. She's so scary looking. She's so short. Ooh, that's so cool!
I wish I could do that without falling. But I bet you that will never happen. Because I am completely uncoordinated and I need to sneeze.
Yeah. Do you think we should end the video now?
Not after you see this. Did you hit my booby?
Boom boom.
You know you want that.
Oh yes.
Like that all on the floor.
Oi.
Seach. You better stop that.
Looks like you and Sheldon.
Thanks.
She's got a tongue ring, so it can't be you and Sheldon.
Exactly. She pregnant? she's pregnant.
Either that or she's just really fat.
No, you can tell like when they're big and then when they're fat. I mean,
You mean when they're pregnant when they're fat?
they're pregnant and when they're big.
I'm sorry.
Yes, father.
Yes, master.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Arigato, Mr. Roboto.
Konnichiwa, Dachi-san.
Ni hao, Kylan. What?
What is that? Look at this, look at this, look at this.
That is scary.
Ow, ow, ow,
I don't know if I can see it.
It's okay. Ow, ow.
There's some scary stuff on there, man. YouTube is interesting.
I'm gonna cry.
Don't. Yeah, that is a really gross blackhead. What? Pimple on head. That is what that is.
We should watch it.
No, we shouldn't.
Earwax! Ew, that looks so disgusting.
It looks like that's a goldfish.
Somebody stuck a goldfish up their ear.
14 and pregnant.
Awkward.
That's attractive.
Yep.
14 and pregnant. This is the story of
Jenna and
Jenna
her friend Emily.
with her friend Emily.
But I'm only 14.
Yeah, you're stupid because you're faking it.
Mm.
She pushed it out. Do you not witness these things? Come on, watch this.
I've always wanted to be on that show, but I wasn't 16 yet. Pregnant and 15, but I'm only 14. And my boyfriend that I met, we were only in 5th grade. We met on the playground, I was on the monkey bars and he was in the jungle gym. And the next thing you know, we got on Peter's cars, and there it was. First love at first sight.
First love at
What did
first
your
sight?
mother say when you came home pregnant?
Mom doesn't
I don't think it's fake, Taylor.
Are you ready for the pregnancy?
I want this one out. Please look another one. This is our best cousin.
So, would you recommend anyone else be 14 and pregnant?
Heck yes, 'cause I want to get on that TV.
How's the pregnancy been on mom?
I've been shopping for baby clothes on the internet.
Do you have a lot of friends helping you through this
They have a
pregnancy?
weird accent.
Well, yeah, I got to meet my best friends right here. Anything you need, I'm here.
And well, I'm sure you've been a big help to Jenna through this pregnancy.
I want one too, so I can be on TVs. Do you think that Cletus will give me ones too? Well, sure, if he's done got 4s.
Who took the last month by?
I got the ones he told us. Oh, it's time! Mama, come to the hospital!
Oh, this is so fake.
Told you.
Let me get my smokes.
Let me get my smokes. Moving and crying. You know what? I want to watch this one. Telling my mom I'm pregnant. That'd be scary because my mom would probably punch me in the face. Oops. We're still recording, aren't we?
Yep.
Shit.
Well, you know it's true.
Turn up the beep up.
The name of this video will be us watching people
On YouTube. While we
who
are
are pregnant. Apparently.
the fingers make quotation marks. Woohoo! So it's not stuff. So when are you gonna pop the question?
Soon, hopefully.
While I'm pregnant. The end. That was entertaining.
I'm scared.
You were scared?
I was like, I'm scared of Mama. But I wanted to give you something cute.
I don't even know. Why? Only you guys are good at being pretty crazy.
Let's end the video. Say bye, Taylor. Hey, rest said say bye.
Goodbye.